For those looking for a job right now, you might get desperate and take any offer you see online. But one post in particular is asking future employees to work an unpaid trial shift. The now viral post says this 5-hour shift is unpaid and gives them a chance to assess whether or not the candidate is fit for the job. But is this legal? Let's verify. Our sources are employment and labor lawyer Michelle Gessner, attorney Gary Monty, and the U.S. Department of Labor. Gessner says it's plain and simple.
There's no such thing as free labor.
Under the Fair Labor and Standards Act, which is a federal law, all employees must be paid at least minimum wage of $7.25 an hour.
And even when the Fair Labor Standards Act does not apply on rare occasions, the North Carolina Wage and Hour Act also would require employees to be paid at least the state minimum wage.
Gessner says it's important for job candidates to stick up for themselves in situations like these.
That's the only option you have, and you really want the job. You can raise the issue with the employer and say, look, I'm really interested in coming and working. However, the law requires that I be paid for that time. Are you willing to pay me?
If that doesn't work, Gessner says you can also contact the North Carolina Department of Labor to file a complaint.
And they have a duty to investigate or hire a lawyer, a wage and hour lawyer. Typically, again, $50 for a 5-hour shift, that adds up.
Monty and Gessner both say in rare occasions there could be an exception to the rule.
But if it's truly a trial run to see whether someone can actually perform the job, let's say it's specialized like the juggler or the cake decorator, so long as they're not really putting the person to work and it passes what I would call the eye test, does this look like a trial or does this look like real work where they're just wanting it for free?
So we can verify that no, a trial shift that requires you to work an entire shift for free is not legal. With your Verify, I'm Meghan Bragg.
As always, solid reporting there from Meghan Bragg. If you want something verified, make sure you email us at verify@wcnc.com.